respect that trust. Many health information exchange networks in development or operating today have little or no guidance from practicing physicians. Physicians should be actively engaged in guiding HIE development, or corporate health information exchange networks will be the norm. And patients will suffer because physicians will be excluded from our essential role as patient advocates and guarantors of quality health care. Non-physician entities currently own and control large databases of patient medical records, leaving healthcare quality metrics to be determined by the likes of corporations, insurance companies, and the government without the independent professional advice of physicians. Physicians are ethically bound to advocate for and protect patients. The burgeoning use of electronic health records ushers in a promise of better healthcare delivery, which can result in the improved health of our patients. However, only physicians are credible patient advocates in the new electronic medical industrial complex. Physician-led health information exchange development is a high priority for citizens of Florida and the nation. The FMA believes that the security and privacy of confidential patient health information is best protected by making sure that physicians and our patients maintain control of their private electronic health information. The FMA also believes that physician oversight of medical record databases ensures delivery of high-quality health care now and in the future.